How to make flaxseed gel. Use 2 to 3 cups of hot water. Boil it. You're going to start to see this foam. It's going to show up in a moment. Now the flaxseed, anywhere from 1/4 a cup to 1/3 cup. So 1/4 cup if you only use 2 cups of water, 1/3 if you use 3 cups of water. You'll see in this video that I used the same flaxseed twice. The second time I did need to boil the flaxseed longer. Okay, so in a moment you're going to see. You definitely want to make sure you stir so that they don't clump together and burn at the bottom of the pot. As you can see now, it's starting to get thick. It's not quite there, but you'll see that foam start to happen, and that's where you know you're getting close. Now, I've done it 2 ways. The first time I made it, I put the vanilla in once it was completely cooled down and a little chilled in the refrigerator. This time I put it in while hot. I smell the fragrance more. I smelled the vanilla was more pronounced the first time I did it. So I think letting it cool down, then adding the vanilla. So I don't know if the heat kind of cooked it or dissipated the smell. I'm not certain, but I do prefer the vanilla with it chilled. It just stands out. It smells like it smells like sweet potato pie, you know, kind of like the thing Tabitha's Donna's recipe kind of smells like that, and I love it. Like I said, you're able to reuse the same flax seeds twice. Maybe this time I should have only put 2 cups of water. I did then turn up the fire a little bit more because the second time you do need to boil it a little longer for it to get to that gelatinous point that you're looking for. I've seen some people and their gel has been even more thicker than mine, so they might have their fire up a little higher just to rush the process, you know. Now here you only see me do 1 dropper. I did put another dropper off camera. The smell was still a little too subtle for my liking. But again, I do feel like I should have let it cool down longer. Please don't put hot liquids into plastic. So I did let it cool down enough to not put it in a plastic, because all you'll do is leach plastic into your product, and you certainly don't want that. So that's why you see the top over it. I let it cool some before adding it to the plastic. But I do feel like I should have let it cool. Anyway, in the future, I'll let it cool a little more before I add the vanilla. But I love the smell of it. It is perfect. I got these funnels I got all of this stuff from Amazon, and everything came from Amazon. So, but I love it. I keep it in my refrigerator. I use it practically every day. I just spray my hair with a little tea water that I've made. And then I rub the gel in my hands, because right now my hair is braided into a beehive circle. And then I rub it into my scalp. But when it's not braided, I can comb through my hair like it's silk.